our catch can kit that we designed for the Can-Am. Pretty simple kit. We have the vented catch can with drain. We also include a push lock fitting that is the same size as the factory hose. It also includes a cap for the factory ventilation line. So this will get capped off and sealed. And then as an option, we also offer an outerwear filter. So this is a perfect fit for the top of this. It installs super quick and easy, uses all the factory components, and it can be reverted back to stock if need be. So we've actually dyno tested this catch can within like 20 minutes of each other, and it picked up 4 horsepower on our dyno. So this is essentially the kit of our catch can, and the dyno jet is our Whalen Speed 160 package. It's dynoed 160 horsepower on our dyno. So essentially, this is the factory hose that would connect to the intake fitting. So you simply remove that fitting from your intake, and you'll have to cut one zip tie to get it back to this position. And this T-bolt clamp will, you take the nut all the way off of it, slip it on there, get it positioned. This will fit with a stock exhaust. Obviously way easier to work on this machine without the stock exhaust, but it still installs like within 15 minutes. Super easy to install. The drain on the bottom is you just get a cup to catch the fluid that it's going to drain. And then other than that, this thing is super easy to install, prevents having all the gases and the liquids and the oil entering your intake system, and it works great.